Hey, so if you want to automate your video editing and save a ton of time, you can actually do it using AI tools inside Dola AI. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step. All right, first, go to Dola AI and sign into your account. If you're new, just create one using your email. Yeah, it's quick. Once you're in, look for the video editor or AI automation feature. That's where you'll manage your editing process. Now, upload your raw video clips. This could be screen recordings, talking head videos, or any content you want to edit. Next, use the auto editing tools. Dola AI can automatically cut silence, trim clips, and arrange scenes for you. Then add captions, transitions, and effects. Many of these can also be applied automatically with AI. Now you can tweak anything, like timing, text, or visuals, to match your style. Once everything looks good, preview your video, then export it in your preferred format. So yeah, that's how you can automate video editing using Dola AI. It's a huge time saver, especially if you create content regularly. If this helped, feel free to check out more AI tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.